Hello, everyone. Orwell coming at you again. Command and Conquer 0 Hour. The modification is called Reborn. You can get it on the Gen Launcher. There's a video that I made earlier tonight that you can go look and see how to get the mod and how to get the Gen Launcher and stuff like that. Uh, it's a pretty good deal. I'm gonna run with it for a while now. I've been messing with it and stuff. So. But what I'm showing tonight is literally just the mod itself and some differences and stuff like that. So I did a video with USA Commander in Chief. All right, but this one here I'm going to do helicopter. All right, and then I did it against GLA before. Now then this time I'm going to do China. Um, the um, different ones, the EMP, Nippon. So I got three options on there. The Rogue, China Rogue, is broke right now. Hopefully, they fix it soon or whatever like that. But don't play China Rogue General. It's not happening. So we're going to do them on medium because again, I'm not after gameplay in that sense. I'm really trying to set up a good defense here and then show the different aspects of the helicopter general and how they different work and stuff like that. One thing that I'm going to have trouble with is this. These two right here are going to destroy my entrance. I mean, it'll be a non-stop, even though it's medium, it'll be a non-stop battle for that entrance. So you will see that I will have to bring my A game, literally, even though it's on medium and it's only three of them. That the old original style where you could do 1 versus 7 on these new mods and stuff like that. It'd be tough. It really would be to even on this map here to take on 7. There's some players that can do it. They absolutely are, but not me. I'm too old and slow for that. So, all right, let's get started here. All right. All right, traditional setup as always. We got a few different things here. We'll go over those as we come across them. All right. Like any map or any these Command and Conquers at the beginning is always crucial. You got to really get all over it. First one done is set up is the best way to go here.
What's the story?
Now we get some.
Want to make some improvements? Let's get to work.
We got our officer back.
Let's get it, sir. Always ready. What's the mission, foundation? Let's get to work.
A fire base. I'm gonna throw a fire base on there.
Want to make some
I'll
improvements?
throw a fire base on that.
What's the mission, sir? Let's find a better place. Let's get to make some improvements. Let's build. Keep them busy. What's the story?
Construction complete.
What's the mission, sir? New construction.
All right.
What's the mission, sir?
Construction complete.
Laying the foundation. Clocked in.
Construction complete.
Going the way here. Okay. I'm gonna run out of money at the rate I'm going.
Always ready. Let's build.
Construction complete.
New construction.
Construction upgrade. Construction.
Always ready. Let's build.
Construction complete.
Okay, we're cranking. Got power taken care of. Let's get some stuff up here. I don't have my tomahawks yet. I gotta have. Look, I don't have crap. I'll tell you why I don't have crap is because it's all about the helicopter.
Special forces here. Ready for action.
We're gonna go there next.
Special forces here.
You notice there were some helicopter pad options.
Let's change the decor. Need a point, man?
You just do birds. So right here, helicopter. Boom. Oh, no. Did I get my second Chinook?
New construction. The building is ours. Need a delivery, General? The building is captured. Need a delivery, General? The building is captured. The building is captured. Yeah.
Control rod upgrade.
Okay.
Let's build.
Let's build. Oh. Alright, do I got any? Oh my gosh, I don't have any troops over here. second wind here.
Clocked in. What's the mission, sir?
Let's get an airfield. I'm only gonna do one. I don't need two because I got all the helipads.
Special forces here. What's the mission, sir?
Meet your new owner.
Construction complete.
Ready for action.
What's the mission, sir?
Taking charge.
New construction.
Construction complete.
What's the mission, sir? Build this.
Okay, here we go. All right, we're gonna put some longbows right here.
What's the mission,
9
sir?
of them right off the bat. Now let's back off and get
What's the mission,
Comanche.
sir?
Comanche. Nope.
What's the
All right,
mission,
so
sir?
looking at the different options, let's do back.
Gunship reporting in.
I got 2 of them. All right, so we got the regular Comanche, we got the Cobra, Apache longbow, another Comanche, but this one here has a stealth, and it's 1,500 compared to 1,000, so evidently it must be double the glory here. All right, it says it's armed with a 40mm cannon and 4 Hellfire anti-tank missiles, stealth the enemy radar and troops. Nice.
Gunship reporting in.
So, hands down, I would never do the Comanches. I would do this one. But with that in mind, let's go ahead and get these in case we do use those. All right, next we have the regular Chinook.
Gunship
We
reporting
have the Osprey. All right. And then we have the Black Hawk, which is a minigun, supply collector, and ambulance for infantry. All right. And then last but not least is the combat Chinook. I'm going to show you the combat Chinook. Okay, so yeah, you're about dead. All right, let's get over here and give me some. You know what? I gotta take care of. We got a carpet bomb option too here. Oh no! Shit. Oh, sorry about that. I didn't mean to say that. I just carpet bombed myself. Oh my god! What did I do? Took out my own dozer.
always ready.
All right. Okay, here we go. Do I have 2 of those Chinooks? So I can use the Osprey, right, or this truck. Let's see what the truck. 720. I like the Chinooks because they're at the end of this here. They can go get some other fly over the wall and get some other stuff there. So more supply. So
Army's elite.
all right.
Have a job for me.
Yep. So let's get. I need my 4 particle cannons. So
Let's build.
Advanced training is complete, sir.
let's get some those right there.
Building capture complete. Building capture complete. Building capture complete.
All right, yep. All right, look, something's bombing me from way back over there. Oh, no, they got here. Watch this. See how he does. What's in longbows? No, it's these guys here. Oh, you know, I can put some stuff in there. Do I have a sniper yet? Yeah, a sniper. There's those longbows. That's not bad. Not bad.
What's the mission, sir?
All right, yeah, let's get some more power just in case here.
What's the story?
Power.
Clocked in.
Power. Okay, I got bunker busters, stealth upgrade. Comanches become stealth. So the regular Comanches become stealth now, which makes them the same as these then, and for half the money. We got hypersonic Aurora. We're used to those. Got F-18 Hornet. That's air to air, so we're used to those. No, that is not air to air. So then we get the Cobra. Equals infantry building. Alright, we got the grab all these counter defenses if we're gonna grab all that stuff. Why not? And I'm gonna show. Let's get a couple Auroras.
Have a job for me.
How many enemies do we have here? We had 3, right? So I need 6 particle cannons just in case. You guys get in there. Get in here. You ain't doing any good up there. Nothing. Sniper here. Okay. Uh oh.
Laser guided missiles are installed.
Shady's walking. Laying the foundation.
She right there. See how you do. So as you see, that front door is just nothing but a few Comanches there, or longbows, and they've been going to town. All right. That's that. So I'm setting up these where's the helipad? All right. So right here, these combat Chinooks. And I'm going to show you how those work here in a little bit. Works with Rangers, Marines, combat drop attacks, or just assault. So, and I'm going to set them up for assault. That's the way I'm looking them up here. Oh, our power slacking here. Or actually, I don't. So I don't have much lasers up front or anything else like that. So okay.
Got my missile launcher right here.
All right. So let's see here. We can take all of these guys.
Let's pop some tanks.
I should have. There's my officer.
On the go.
Where's the sniper at? I want one sniper and one officer. Each one.
Loaded with U.S. quality.
Right here.
Cleaned and mounted.
You.
Sniper here.
Get over there. Alright, so now then I can put the rest with the
Oh, sign in for this.
Alright, there we go. There's one.
Serving our country. High-speed bomber ready for takeoff.
Alright. Now then you.
I'll fire at anything.
Now then.
Sure thing.
There's the second one. Here's the third one.
Oh, sign in for this.
Sniper here. Looking.
Let's pop some tanks. I want to blow something up. Keep it safe.
Alright, there's three.
Right on schedule.
Alright.
Serving our country.
So I don't run these. I'm just showing them because of exactly what's going on here. The prep time is forever, you know.
Got my missile launcher right here.
Now the front door still looking. Oh, I need one more part.
Let's build. What's the story?
Just in case they come back. I know they're mediums, but just in case here. All right, so we got our Roar bombers there.
What's the mission, sir?
Got nothing on this one. All right. Black Hawks. All right, let's do a couple Offspray. Do 6 of those. All right. So we have a nuclear missile that we'll have to take care of here. Why ain't you getting any shots, dude? Are you not promoted?
Need a delivery, General?
Or he's promoted?
Have a job for me?
I have did. Alright, back to loading these up.
Sniper here.
Alright.
I'll scout ahead.
Okay.
I'll fire at anything. Need a delivery,
So
General?
with that officer in there, they're healing. But that's normally not going to be a big factor anyway, because what's going to happen is
Serving our
they're going to
country.
die.
What's the mission, sir?
Yeah, moving. I want to blow some missile launcher right here. Need a delivery, General?
Just be shot down.
Right here.
Because I'm not going to drop them off. I'm going to show you how they all.
Got my missile launcher right here.
Okay, there we go.
Let's load up some soldiers.
All right, so we now have 6 Chinooks. They're loaded down. Each one of them is the same setup. We got a sniper, an officer, and then 6 of our I call them rocket guys, missile defenders, whatever. Oh, look, our sniper got taken out. All right, so let's take these guys and let's go down this way and let's see how we do here. Did I name them? Yeah, 0. Okay. Looks, he's sniping from there. If you notice that, see, they're sniping them. All right, here we go. Oof. All right.
Need a delivery, General? Going in. Right on schedule.
What's up with this guy? Why he didn't do anything?
Something for everyone. Take him out,
I hear something firing at him. That one went down. All right, let's get over here and take this guy out right here. All right. Okay, get back. Back any left? I don't. That was it. So that's how they work.
Select target. Particle cannon activated.
Go ahead and take out this nuke, otherwise my front door's gonna collapse on me.
Select target.
And this is the standard stuff in the sense of particle cannons and the way that they're working and everything like that. But if you have noticed, I really just, you see these guys getting promoted here.
Yes, sir.
You know, the longbow is the helicopter to roll. I'm going to show it to you again a little better here in a second. So, all right, so we got some reinforcements here. All right, that's what is this? F-18 Hornet. All right, saturation bomb. Okay, so we got one more left. We were there. All right, so let's see what our reinforcement helicopters are. Why not?
Reinforcements have arrived.
Oh wow, they just popped up from nothing.
Frequencies open.
So here we should be able to. These Comanches should be stealth, right? Because of that
Particle
upgrade that
cannon
we
ready.
did. All right, we picked the stealth upgrade. Where's that? Where's that at?
Gunship reporting in.
All right, so I want to do some longbows now.
Gunship reporting in.
This supply file is done.
Right here, some Apache longbows, and we did 6 of that last time. I'm going to do 6 here. All right, now here's 6 of these. All right, so here's 0. All right, what? Can they hold troops? It looks like they can hold some troops.
Gunship reporting in.
All right, let's go over here and pick up these
I'll get it there.
Marines. Whatever.
I'll fire at anything.
I'm in one of these and see what it does.
Moving.
Gunship reporting in.
Let's pop some tanks.
Supplies over here. Something for everyone.
Okay,
Blades in motion.
oh,
Gunship reporting.
You promoted?
Support.
yeah, you're promoted. You
Yes,
promoted.
sir.
Yeah, you're promoted. Okay,
No
they're
more
good.
supplies from this
All right,
source.
so here we go.
Excited for this.
These are going to be the Osprey. It says maybe used for assault heavy fortified positions at lightning speed. Comes with 6 Marines, and we added a few.
Something for everyone. The new drone armor has been installed.
Let's go.
I'll get it there.
Right here.
Gunship reporting in.
6, 0. Come on. But they're not doing anything.
You guys be careful out there.
So they're just transport. That's it.
Oh, excited for this.
They're pretty. Not taking any damage. Alright, yeah, this is a disaster. Alright, so just transport is all those on. Alright, so
Loaded with
yeah,
US
you guys are
quality.
worthless.
I'll get it there.
Yep, you're done. Okay, next one up is the longbow. Right? No, I did what was it? Now see, those are not. Okay. Oh, I did not take it. That's
Gunship
why.
reporting in.
Alright, let's go back over here.
What's the story?
There it is. Alright, so I got 6 longbows here.
Reporting in. A little ground support.
Alright, let's take out this we got
Upgrade.
this carpet bomb here.
Select target.
Now this saturation bombing,
Gunship reporting in.
we'll take him out too.
Gunship reporting in.
That should be enough to take all of this.
Unit lost.
Come on,
Gunship reporting in. Gunship reporting in.
dude. Yeah, there it is. It's gone. start. Okay, so now then I got longbows. So same item, I got 6 longbows. Alright,
Visibility clear.
alright. 0.
Moving
Alright.
to new AO. Flying low. Gunship reporting in.
Right here.
Making a sweep. Gunship reporting in. We're going in. Operation underway.
Alright, so alright, he's going down right here. Alright, so let's go take this guy out.
Nav system set.
Alright, here's something shooting, right?
Operation underway.
Look at that. Took out a command center just like that.
This one's mine. Operation underway. Got you covered. We're going in. Hose them down. We're out of supplies. We're going in.
Alright, right here we got something shooting at us. Shooting at us. And I got one left. Okay. So as you see that the longbows took out way more than the others did with just 6. So let's see. Don't I got these Comanches now?
In the field.
So here we go. 0. Alright, let's see how these guys do. They're just your standard Comanches. I am going to take these guys out right here real quick. There's 2 of them. Alright, lost 2 of them already. And look, they're not even going to take out 1. Alright, so hands down the you know, just not very good. Alright, we got our hypersonic Auroras. Alright, so let's see how they do on a command center here.
Select target.
Passing overhead.
Alright.
Warning. Nuclear
Delivering
missile
payload.
silo detected.
So, you know, but that's the only bomber we have. So now then, these guys here are stealth ones. So let's do 6 of those, and I'll show you those stealth ones. Whoops, it's my front door looking. Something bombed the snot out of me. But again, I used the helicopter. Let's get a couple more snipers up there. A general or an officer. Let's get a couple more up here. Colonel Burton up there as well.
Gunship reporting in.
Alright, and do I have? Alright, let's show a few more.
Gunship reporting
Strong against infantry and tanks.
What's the mission, sir? What's the mission, sir?
Alright, so we got.
Gunship reporting in.
So I could put a different one there.
Gunship reporting in. You want the best?
Here.
Gunship reporting
Oops. Nope, I was already done. Alright, here we go. Put you right here.
in.
Alright, I'm
Gunship
prepping
reporting
for
in.
my final deal here. Alright,
Gunship
now these
reporting
guys you
in.
could tell by the screen here that they are definitely. Alright, so here we go. We got 6 of those. Alright, we're gonna come down over here.
Reporting in.
Whoops.
Gunship reporting in. Frequencies open.
Here.
Air cover's on the way.
And we are gonna go in and show you their attack and how they do. Alright, so far the longbow has been the best, in my opinion.
Gunship reporting in.
Alright, oh wow, there's nothing over here. Okay, then you know what? Let's
Flying low. Gunship reporting in. Air cover's on the way.
I'll go attack red, and looks like we've already put the hurt to. This other one pretty good.
Visibility clear.
I'll come down this way. And right here's the one that
Gunship reporting in.
those regular
Gunship
Comanches couldn't even
reporting
take
in.
out. So
Nav system set.
Select target.
We're going in.
now these are stealth ones.
How about those rockets? Gunship reporting in. Gunship reporting in. Flying low.
Okay. We're still cranking. Let's see what else we can take out. There's another gun. That was it. Okay.
Anything to drive?
So, not much better there.
Reporting in. Gunship reporting in.
The roars do pretty good. This is strong against buildings, huh? Let's try a couple of those against the
Reporting in.
command center like we did a while ago.
Reporting in.
All right, and obviously I'm building some offense here with these longbows. I believe that the longbows are by far the way to go.
Gunship reporting in. Air show.
They just they seem to do just a great job. So.
Gunship reporting in.
Unit lost. Our Colonel Burke has been detected.
Oh, did he? Why is he
give him an
being
air show.
detected? Okay. So
Gunship reporting in. In the field. Flying Gunship reporting in. Gunship reporting in.
all right, so here we go. We got these two, right? They're F-18 Hornets.
Reporting
We
in.
control the
All
sky.
right, well, let's see what we can do here against this command center.
Gunship
All right,
reporting
we've
in.
already done it with two other aircraft, and they
Gunship reporting in.
about half on each one. So, loads bomb munitions.
attacking our base.
Building lost.
Uh-oh.
Unit lost.
So it says load bombs.
Reporting in.
All right, so what? Did I miss an option
Reporting
here?
in.
Some long range guys.
Gunship reporting in.
Oh my. Gone. I think it was that guy. Uh-oh.
Clocked in.
Oh no, that nuke. Get away.
being attacked.
I forgot about that.
Unit lost.
It's all right.
Always
All right,
ready.
yeah, let's get some
Gunship
power
reporting
going.
in. Clocked in.
Yep.
Building.
Laying the foundation. Reporting in. Want to make some improvements?
Building.
Gunship reporting in. Laying the foundation.
Building.
Clocked in.
Control rod upgrade complete.
Gunship
Construction
reporting
ready.
in. New construction.
Construction complete.
Gunship reporting in.
Control rod upgrade.
All right, do I have anything left? Oh, I do. Okay, so
Construction complete. Construction
to see about another one of these things seem to be doing pretty good from distance-wise here.
Gunship reporting in.
I don't want any rifle. Oh, I just want snipers.
Cleaned and
Okay.
mounted.
Gunship always ready.
building.
All right, got plenty of power.
Gunship
Oh
reporting
no,
in.
it said that I could put some bombs on them.
What's the mission, sir?
Construction complete.
I want to try that again and see what these bombs do. So,
Control rod upgrade complete.
Scope cleaned and mounted.
you guys, get back in here.
Getting a better view. Scope cleaned and mounted.
Control rod upgrade.
Give him an air show. Frequencies open.
Okay, so let's put that officer just stay in there, and then I want these snipers
Making my way around.
Heading for cover.
I'll
in
slip
here.
into that building.
Army's elite. On the go.
You stand back there, and you stand back there.
Laying the
If I can put a
foundation.
third one in
What's
there.
the mission, sir? Air show.
Building.
There you go. All right, let's put a couple more. I don't need the officer. Okay, so how do I put bombs on these things? Loads bombs.
Scope cleaned and mounted.
Flying high.
All right, now we'll try these two with bombs. Right?
Upgrade complete.
Scope cleaned
What do
and
you got?
Construction upgrade complete.
Flying high. Bomber ready for takeoff.
We
Okay.
control the skies.
Scope
So
cleaned
now let's see how they do
Select target.
against the same command
Let's
center.
mix it up.
F-18s with the bombs.
cleaned and mounted. Scope cleaned and mounted. Cleaned
So.
and mounted.
Select target.
All right.
Critical cannon. Select target.
So there's a nuke. We'll take care of it real quick. All right. Now then, our
Hey, little ground support. Visibility clear.
there's that one
Yes, sir.
and that one.
High and low. Hey, little ground support.
And this one.
Visibility clear.
All right. So we are going in all longbows here in a second, and we're gonna end this right now. Just that's all there is to it. I don't know how many I got, but I just hope I got some left when it's over.
High and low. Got you covered. Got their position. Making a sweep. We're going in. Got their position. Searching clear. Hose them down. Air cover's on the way. Searching clear. This one's mine.
So as you can see, it's making short work of anything and everything.
Got you covered. Man system set. Searching clear. Got you covered. Making a sweep. Making a sweep.
Just devastating here. Uh oh, we got some defenses. Out of that, all three of them gone just like that. Uh oh, we got another one.
Got their position. Making a sweep.
Something else shooting at me. Yep, way over here.
How about those rocket covered?
Sounds like something else way back here. Wow, some serious range.
Hose them down. Man system set.
All right, here's another one.
Hose them down.
Don't hear anything else.
This one's mine. Got their position. Operation underway. A lot of supplies over here. Got you covered.
Okay.
Visibility clear.
I don't see
Making a sweep.
anything else. And that's it, man. I mean, longbows are the bomb. They just awesome. Now, if I took on some hard armies on this one, I think that you could just literally go in there and just build several of them helipads and just crank out a bunch of longbows just like I just did and just go to town. You saw that the front entrance there the entire time they really didn't touch them longbows at all. They just do a really good job, man. They're pretty nice helicopters. So, all right, well, this is a war. We'll see what we do next here. We got Rogue and Assault on the USA side. I may do one of each of those. The China side, the artillery. Oh my, it is phenomenal. Do there, in a sense, there's some seriously long range items that they have. But I may not do any as China or GLA because I want you guys to experiment with those on your own a little bit. But we'll see. But I think I will go ahead and do the Assault and Rogue another night, and we'll show you guys how that works. And again, it'd be a similar setup with the medium, and then we'll do the just to show you the different options and how they go out at each other and stuff like that. Appreciate you hitting the like button and subscribe. Thank y'all. It's Orwell out.